Rolling vineyards, historic charm, and culinary treasures all combine to create an unforgettable escape in the heart of California's wine-soaked paradise. Welcome to Wander Sonoma County. I'm Frankie, and in this guide, I'm going to share with you all the best things to do here in Sonoma County, California.
If you're looking for accommodations or are already planning to stay in one of our beautiful homes here, make sure you check out our Wander Sonoma Vineyards house tour ahead of your upcoming trip. Wander Sonoma Vineyards is a spectacular modern home with 4 bedrooms that comfortably sleeps 8, 3.5 bathrooms, and 2 kitchens, one with an outdoor grill. The hotel-grade amenities are amazing and include a pool and a hot tub, a theater room with a ping pong table, and a large patio with a fire pit, a pizza oven, and a primo charcoal grill.
The closest airport to our Sonoma houses here is Charles M. Scholl's Sonoma County Airport. That's going to be approximately 20 to 40 minutes to any single one of our homes here. So we recommend taking a cab or renting a car while you're here. But if you need more help finding one of our houses, you can contact our Wander Concierge that is 24/7 and always available. But there is a ton to do, see, and drink here, so let's get to the travel guide. Located in the heart of California's wine country, Sonoma attracts visitors from all over the world with its perfect blend of stunning scenery, wonderful wines, and fascinating history. Sonoma's natural beauty is truly like no others, from its mountains, forests, meadows, creeks, and its full 55-mile stretch of Pacific Ocean coastline. This is a true haven for outdoor enthusiasts and anyone seeking a taste of tranquility. And beyond the vineyards and wineries, you're actually going to be able to find the downtown area of Sonoma itself, which I'm standing in right now. I'm in the downtown plaza here. You're also going to find colonial Spanish architecture and a very unique charm that you will find nowhere else. Sonoma Raceway is a premier motorsports destination renowned for its challenging road courses and thrilling NASCAR and IndyCar races that take place right here. Surrounded by rolling hills and vineyards, the Raceway provides a very unique and picturesque setting for motorsports enthusiasts to enjoy high-speed excitement in a captivating and scenic environment. So when you're in town here with us, check out their website to see if there's any races going on, because you will definitely not have an experience at any other raceway like here in Sonoma. We are here at Sugarloaf Ridge State Park. This park offers breathtaking vistas of the mountains and the valleys, making it a haven for hikers and nature enthusiasts. You have so many diverse trails within this park here that just wind all throughout the woodlands, the meadows, and the bubbling creeks, making it perfect for outdoor adventurers or anyone seeking a slice of tranquility. Healdsburg is known for its quaint charm, its vibrant downtown plaza, and its proximity to some of the world's finest wine-growing regions. It sits right at the juncture of 3 major regions. You have the Russian River Valley, the Dry Creek Valley, and Alexander Valley AVA, making for a wonderful spot for those seeking wine tasting opportunities. In downtown Healdsburg here, you're also going to find plenty of boutique shops, farm-to-table and upscale dining restaurants, and a very relaxed ambiance, making it a must-visit destination for those seeking a taste of Sonoma's wine country lifestyle. Sonoma was voted the #1 wine destination in the United States. Sonoma's vineyards and wineries produce a very diverse variety of wines with a very pleasing backdrop of stunning landscapes and rolling vineyards. You will definitely dive into a sensory adventure and will definitely experience the charm of California's infamous wine country. Mayo Family Winery got its start in 1990 with a goal to produce exceptional exceptional Chardonnay grapes and sell them to local wineries. They pride themselves on producing small batch single vineyard wines, and you can visit their tasting rooms to sip one of their award-winning creations yourself. Staff were extremely welcoming and warranted a very fun tasting. The whole tasting consisted of 6 different wines from their Chardonnay, Cabernet, to red blends, and so many more unique flavors you won't taste anywhere else. You also can purchase your own bottle and relax in their outdoor picnic area and enjoy the fresh Sonoma air. Sonoma's food scene celebrates the area's agricultural richness and its commitment to sustainable, locally sourced ingredients. Sonoma restaurants use the freshest, locally sourced produce, artisanal cheeses, and premium meats that all pair perfectly with the local wines, giving you a true taste of the flavor of the area. You have more boutique, charming restaurants in the downtown area of Sonoma itself, to more fine dining Michelin star restaurants. So there's definitely something here that will suit your taste. Here are just a couple restaurants we recommend dining at during your stay. Barndiva has been a Healdsburg favorite for nearly 20 years. It's surrounded by a stunning garden terrace and magical twinkling lights, crafting modern, upscale country cuisine that's earned numerous accolades, including a Michelin star in 2023. You definitely have to order a delicious glass of wine or one of their craft cocktails while you're here. We got the filet of fish sandwich and the crispy chicken pallard, topped with green chermoula, tahini, and garlic dressing that was cooked to perfection. Bird in the Bottle is a new American restaurant with a menu incorporating flavors from Asia, the American South, the East Coast, Jewish comfort food favorites, and a wide variety of fresh seafood. The open kitchen with its wood-fired grill creates large and small plates designed for sharing in one of the 3 cozy dining rooms or the 2 outdoor decks. We got the shrimp wontons, the duck comfit tacos, and the Angus beef skirt steak. Dierk's Parkside Cafe is a unique breakfast, brunch, and lunch spot that you don't want to miss in the town of Santa Rosa. They were actually voted best breakfast in Sonoma, and let me tell you, they definitely hit that mark. Not to mention the outstanding friendly service. The Jason Parkside sandwich with a side of fresh fruit and the pancakes were truly the perfect start to our day and tasted incredible. Drewish Deli is located in the town of Healdsburg and is part of the Healdsburg Bagel Company that serves up New York-style bagels. Everything in this deli, from the bagels, breads, to the pastries, are all very fresh and made from scratch. I got the breakfast bagel glory sandwich that was so flavorful, and I highly recommend it if you're here for breakfast. Well, thank you for joining me on an adventure through Wander Sonoma County. Don't hesitate to contact our Wander Concierge during your stay to enhance your vacation. And do not forget to tag @Wander in any photos or videos you take during your trip, because we love to see all the fun you had on social media. We can't wait to welcome you here in Northern California. Enjoy!